Hello and welcome to Sail with Gail and Mike.
Welcome back aboard Celebrity Apex. In today's video, we're taking a look at two of the ship's most popular cabins, the standard Infinite Veranda and the Aqua Class Infinite Veranda. We'll show you around both cabins, share what extras you get in an Aqua Class cabin, take you to Blue for breakfast and dinner, plus a tour inside the Sea Thermal Suite. And make sure you stick around to the end. We'll tell you honestly if upgrading to Aqua Class is really worth it.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Don't let it go out that window.
Great.
Oh, I'm glad it never went all over that floor.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Yeah, can I have blueberry? Blueberry, yeah. Thank you.
So tonight we're eating at Blue, which is part of our Aqua package.
We'd love to know what you think. Have you tried Aqua Class and was it worth it for you? Then drop your thoughts in the comments below. So what did we really think about Aqua Class? So after 4 nights in Aqua Class on Celebrity Apex, we have to say we really did enjoy it. The cabin was lovely, Blue was fantastic, and all those little touches definitely made it feel special. We did get to use the spa and it was a real treat, but because it was only a short cruise, we didn't really get to take full advantage of everything Aqua Class has to offer. So, that being said, and being totally honest, for us personally, we probably wouldn't pay the extra to upgrade next time. The main reasons are that we're not really spa people, and we think that the other dining options around the ship are so good that Blue isn't much of a draw for us, even though it was very nice when we did use it. We can completely see why so many people love Aqua Class. If you enjoy the spa, the exclusivity of Blue, or just like that extra bit of pampering, it's definitely worth trying. In our next video, we have a full tour of the spa and the sea thermal suite,